students, I am Sobha Bansiwal, Assistant Professor English, SPC Government College Bhim. Today I am going to explain the novel The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway. In novel, this novel was written by Ernest Hemingway and it won Nobel Prize for Literature. Uh, the the theme of the novel is the struggle of a fisherman whose name is Santiago. He goes on the sea and he catches a big fish, Manolin, and he faces many hardships and all, but at last he is unable to bring Manolin safely on the beach, but he struggles a lot, and what matters in the novel is his struggle rather than his victory. The novel depicts the endurance, struggle, confidence uh, of um, of Santiago. Santiago has firm will. Um, he um, he faces all the difficulties and fights with uh, circumstances. He goes on the sea and he catches Manolin and it is eaten away by sharks. He fights with sharks and he tries to bring back Manolin on the beach, but he defeats in his this effort. In this novel has many symbolical meanings. First of all, this the struggle of Santiago symbolically presents the struggle of mankind with nature. There is eternal battle between mankind and nature, and in nature the weak is unable to adjust. The only who the the creatures or beings who are strong enough, they can survive in this universe. So this novel presents eternal struggle between mankind and nature, and Santiago also presents symbolically presents Jesus Christ, like Jesus, like just as Jesus Christ was crucified. In the same way, uh, Santiago suffers many hardships, and he defeats in the novel uh, and he suffers like Jesus Christ. There is the there is eternal battle between good and evil. The battle between sharks and Manolin represent this battle between good and evil. This Santiago in the novel presents endurance, hardships, and struggle with life. There are many autobiographical elements in the novel. Hemingway, Ernest Hemingway, used to live on coast of uh, Ernest Hemingway himself lived with fishermen, so he had a close experience of their lives. So here in this novel, he graphically presents their life experiences, um, and the in the novel, the struggle of Santiago with sharks and with his struggle on the sea represents Hemingway's own struggle uh, uh, in his literary career. Just as Manoli is attacked by sharks, and Santiago's um, achievement is destroyed by sharks. In the same way, um, Hemingway's achievements are destroyed and is spoiled by critics who criticized his literary works. Um, so this has autobiographical significance. The title of the novel, The Old Man and the Sea, represents an eternal struggle between mankind and human and nature. There are many creatures in the sea, and there is eternal struggle for their lives. They these creatures kill each other for their own existence. And in this novel, The Man and the Sea, it presents a battle between mankind and nature. So these were the chief characteristics of this novel. Thank you.